The Sonic Sound DNA platform makes everyday sounds better with Adaptive Feedback Canceller Pro. Also called AFC Pro, this innovative feature uses two anti-feedback technologies to create one proficient system. Let's see how they work together to reduce the risk of feedback. When an incoming sound reaches the hearing aid's microphone, it gets amplified and sent through the receiver into the ear. Sometimes the microphone picks up the amplified sound after it's left the receiver. That sound is amplified another degree, and the process repeats, turning the sound into an unpleasant squeal called feedback. That repeating cycle of sound between the receiver and microphone is called the feedback path. Sonic's Adaptive Feedback Canceller already monitors signals to see if they've been amplified before. If so, the anti-feedback system estimates the sound's feedback path and sends a counter signal to cancel the repeated sound. This breaks the feedback path. This system works well in stable situations when it can estimate a sound's feedback path, then match it to the actual feedback path in the ear canal. However, feedback can also occur when the feedback path is more unpredictable. Quick movements near the hearing aid, like putting on a hat or making adjustments to the device, can also trigger feedback. In these cases, the system can't respond fast enough, and the estimated feedback path doesn't match the real feedback path. Sounds that fall outside the predicted feedback path are picked up from the receiver and start to amplify. Sound DNA with AFC Pro now includes a second system to control feedback from rapidly changing feedback paths. This new approach is called spectrotemporal modulation, or STM processing. As sound enters the hearing aid, STM processing detects feedback from dynamic conditions and applies momentary attenuation only in the specific frequency bands of the feedback. The STM system rapidly eliminates feedback signals from dynamic conditions, while the traditional anti-feedback system cancels feedback from static conditions. Together, these two systems are called AFC Pro. Let's compare graphs with and without this technology. Here is a spectrogram of a hearing aid's output without AFC Pro. The acoustical feedback is shown in red. This spectrogram shows the same hearing aid's output with AFC Pro. The acoustical feedback that was in red is gone. With the new technology, nearly all audible feedback from the output has been eliminated. AFC Pro removes offending feedback signals, often before they are even heard. The patient enjoys a reduced risk of feedback. AFC Pro is easy to use in the fitting software. First, place the hearing instruments in the client's ears correctly and ensure background noise is not present. Click Measure to run the measurements, then choose Accept to apply the measured feedback margins. Listeners will appreciate the advantages of this two-in-one system. AFC Pro means fewer distractions from the annoyance of feedback, whether in stable or changing conditions. Soft speech sounds are more audible for a better target match. And because it reduces feedback that can come from motion near the hearing instrument, AFC Pro delivers more open-fit possibilities. Listeners can hear the sound of their own voice in a more clear and natural way. With the advanced feedback management system of AFC Pro, patients enjoy a truly individual hearing experience. The Sound DNA platform is one more way sonic technology makes everyday sounds better.